Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be breaking down how I executed this pound yen trade this morning around a London session before the NFP news release. As you all know, today was the first Friday of the month and the NFP news was coming out. Also, the unemployment news was also coming out. So those are a high impact news and they basically affect how the market moves. Okay. All right. So basically, I'm going to be explaining in this video how I took this trade from a demand zone after the break of Asian session high. All right. As long as you know how to read price action, you can take this type of trades. Also, if you want to upgrade your knowledge, I've written an ebook that teaches you how to trade smart money trading from A to Z. And you can also build your own strategy around it. And there's also a strategy in the ebook. So it's on sale for 25% until for the next few days. So make sure you get that book and the link is going to be in the description. So without wasting time, let me show you guys how I took this trade. All right, here we are. All right, so this is this box that I'm using. This a lot of you guys have been asking me this. Okay, this is the Asian session box. Okay, you can draw this as you can draw it on your own, or you can use this box just to save a little bit of time. Also, I set my chart to New York New York time zone. Okay, so this is 21:10. This is the New York time here. Okay, so that you don't get confused, make sure you always set your chart to New York time zone so that you know when Asian session break happens. All right, so here we can see the price was going down. All right, we can see that there was a downtrend happening here. Okay, price was going down, creating lower highs, lower lows. As you can see that, let me use this quickly. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this was what the price was doing previously. Sorry, I forgot about this. So this is lower high here. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right. And then over here, we can see the shift, okay, of market structure. So this means the market went from downtrend to an uptrend around this area here. Okay, so now that we have that going for us, what we're looking for is an uptrend on the lower time frame. Okay, so this is the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. So we're looking for a short-term uptrend. Also on the 4-hour time frame, the price was also trending upwards. Okay, so there's an uptrend going on here on the 4-hour time frame. So we know that the price is trending. The order flow is basically towards the uptrend direction. All right. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is what I did. Okay. I went ahead and put this indicator called the kill zone indicator. You can get it from the indicator section here and, plot it on your chart and it will save you probably time. So also what you can do is you can see this session break here, this entire day. This box here is the entire day of yesterday. Okay. And then today started from here and then still continued because the market is closed right now because it's Friday. But what I did was I kind of marked Asia high here. You can do this on your own, or you can just use the indicator that I showed you on the chart. So this is Asia high, all right? And then this is Asia low, all right? All right, so now that we have that, and we also indicated that the price reversed from downtrend to an uptrend, what we're going to be looking for is a buy position because price is already realigned with the uptrend on the higher time frame. Okay, so we had the change of character over here or a reversal here, and then price started going up, creating high highs, high lows. We don't have a lot of imbalance going on over here, except there was a little bit of imbalance here, but it was kind of tapped on, and I didn't have any trust in waiting for a trade around this area, so I had to wait for the Asian session break. So here on the Asian session break, let me take the indicator off so that we can see everything clearly. So the Asian session high was basically broken to the upside, creating a break of structure. And then who created that break of structure? Let's find out. Okay, Bryce started creating break of structure around London session. Okay, this is 2 o'clock New York time. And then London session opened around 2 o'clock New York time. So price was ranging Asia, and then London broke Asia with a momentum. Okay, so you can see this. The size of this candle cannot be created by a retail trader. So there was a lot of demand for a pound. Okay, so people were buying pound because, you know, of the strength of the economy there. Okay, so there was a lot of momentum here. A lot of investors came in and they started buying pound, breaking, you know, Asia high. So this created a lot of imbalance. Okay, everything here was balanced. There was imbalance, and there had to be a rebalance to make it fair. People were buying and selling here, you know, fairly. The price started breaking up to the upside, creating a lot of imbalance around this area. So you can see it. There was imbalance from here to here after the break of a structure. So once you see that, you know that your demand zone is somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be my demand zone here. Why do I mark this as a demand zone? If you go a little bit on the lower time frame, you will see it clearly. Okay, right? So here, this shadow here is not mitigated yet. So I marked my demand zone from here. And there was a lot of imbalance from here to here. So I kind of like figured out, since London came with the momentum and break Asia high, price is going to come back to fill this imbalance, to rebalance the price and tap on this demand zone and then continue to the upside. I didn't even, you know, waited for any confirmation because that was already enough confirmation. All right. And then I went ahead, set my trade, took about 10 pips. I wasn't playing around. All I needed was just 10 pips. I took that 10 pips. It wasn't even a crazy trade, to be honest. I took 10 pips and I was out. Okay. And I was out. I entered here, exited somewhere here. That was about 10 standard lot, about $100 per pip. So that gave me about 1,000 something, which was a good trade, 1-to-1, whatever. And I was out for the day. All right. But somehow I knew the market was going to continue up, but I didn't want to trade. I didn't want to hold a trade because I knew there was going to be the NFB news coming out. Okay. So if you missed this trade, you could have taken another trade around after the break of this structure here. There was another opportunity. So if you missed this opportunity here around London session, here around New York session, there was another opportunity. All right. All right. So here again, price gave you another entry here. Why? Because there was a short term, a high highs, high lows. We see break structure here, break of a structure here. Okay. Price went up. Here another break of structure. Use this as an inducement, or what do you call a liquidity takeout, and then reversed from this area here. Okay. So this was another entry here that you could have taken. All right. So guys, this was an easy trade, but then the NFB came out around this time, and then the price went nuts. There was a lot of spread. A lot of people get stopped out because they didn't know the price was going to reverse from here, and then they basically put their stop loss. You know, they try to enter from here, and then they get wiped out, and then price started going from here, creating high highs, high lows to the upside. So this was around New York session, and it moved about 152 pips. Though this was too much. Okay, I wasn't trading this time. I took my trade here, took my 10 pips, and I was out for the day. And that's exactly what happened. Also, I posted this analysis or this recap on my Telegram. You can find the link in the description. So it's a free Telegram. Go ahead and join and be in the zone. Okay. So guys, very easy. Again, price was ranging here, Asian session. We had break of a structure. Price left a gap or an imbalance, and then it came back to rebalance. So as I started executing a trade from here, you know, my target was somewhere here. I wasn't even like playing around. I was trying to take a profit over here, but I took 10 pips, give me about 1,000, about 1,200, I suppose, somewhere around. Took my money and get out. Okay, because of the NFP news that was coming out at 8 o'clock New York session. All right. So anyways, if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you write your comments, because I always read your comments. And the reason why I created this video is because some of the subscribers was asking me to create a recap about the trade that I took this morning, and I've decided to make a short video explaining the strategy that I've used. All right. Again, if you want to upgrade your knowledge and become a pro, you know, get that ebook. I'm also working on a course that is going to be, you know, explaining a lot. Okay. But if you want to boost your knowledge, get the ebook. It explains a lot. It took me about a month to write that ebook. It has a lot of knowledge, a lot of insights, a lot of information that can help you, change the way you see the market. So make sure you look at that, and the link is going to be in the description. Again, thank you very much. Again, this is your brother Jamal. Peace and love.